Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making for you my favorite protein pancake. Gluten-free, may I add. So today we're just going to blend together all these ingredients. There's oatmeal, there's like a quarter cup of oatmeal, old-fashioned oat. I use this one here. Great value, nothing special, just a great value. And we're gonna pour that in my little handy dandy blender. Frozen bananas. I usually buy a bunch of bananas, cut them up, put them in little baggies. One. And my protein powder, which I use this one here, this Serious Mass, only because it gives me the extra calories that I need, and it's also banana flavored. I love the banana flavor one. You could use any protein powder you choose. My scoop is bigger, but not all the scoops are like this. But you just need one scoop of your special protein powder. I usually tap it a little bit to get the powder through the bananas. 1 egg. And I'm going to be using coconut almond milk, unsweetened, because that protein powder is a little sweet, so I don't need my pancakes to be overly sweet. Okay, so once you get it all in there, it doesn't have to be this blender, of course. You can use your regular blender or whatever blender you have at home. I use this for my shakes also. And it's just like a 1 serving container, so I really love it. Then I usually pop mine on. I usually let it go until my oatmeal is blended. Okay, that should do it. Can you see? That's what it looks like. I'm going to turn my stove on. I'm going to be using this little handy dandy stove here. That way I can have you guys come a little bit closer to my camera. I usually use my spray, sometimes the butter spray, if not as the canola spray. Any spray is fine. And I let my pan heat up. And I spray just a little bit. Now I don't usually pour this back into another container for pouring. I just pour it straight from my container in circulars. I try to make it as perfect as I can. It doesn't always happen, but yeah. I'm just gonna pour in the middle and let it run down in a circular motion to try and get the pancake as perfect as I can. I usually wait until it has a little bubbles before I flip it. And remember, it's not gonna be looking like the other pancakes because it's oats, not flour, but it is super delicious and very healthy. You see it is forming bubbles now. It's like the same process of making the other pancake. It's just not gonna puff up like the others. My first pancake is never perfect, but I still eat it because it's just as delicious as the others. You let it cook for a few seconds on the other side. You get many a plate. So I made the first one. Of course, it's never gonna look as great as the second one. And I'm gonna make you a second one so you could see. I'll turn my stove down. And do not put it in when it's that hot. Let your pan cool down. Don't do like me, don't turn it all the way up. Yeah. I was trying to get this heated up real fast, but now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna pour again. Same process. You just wait until the bubbles comes up and then you flip the pancake and let it cook on the other side for a few seconds. I do a few seconds because I like my pancakes a little bit juicy. And because this is not regular pancakes, it is oatmeal, not flour. It will not look puffed up like the other pancake. Remember that. So don't wait for puffing, it's not gonna happen. The bubbles are coming in. So it's almost time to flip. This is always the hard part. Flip it. And voila, perfectly golden brown. Yummy. And this is a great way to use up all your bananas, guys. You know, sometimes in my house we don't really eat bananas just like that. So when we get bananas, it doesn't really get eaten and then they get old and we have to throw them out. So now all I have to do is bag up all my bananas, put them in the freezer for my shakes and my protein pancakes. No more wasted bananas. Just a few minutes and to let the egg cook. Make sure all your edges are done, guys. It's not gonna foam up like the other one. Let me clean my spatula. And there. Perfect. Banana protein pancakes. Done with oats, not flour, gluten-free. I use the Serious Mass protein powder, so I can get my calories in. This gives me all my calories. So on days that I don't get to eat frequently, my protein pancakes take care of half portion of my calories, and then I'll have a shake later on, maybe, if I'm not eating as I should, and that takes care of all my calories. Now, you don't have to do this one if you're trying to lose weight. There's other protein powders that you can use to substitute for that, and of course, everything else here should be fine for anyone trying to lose weight. But let me know if you try it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.